This is worse than we thought.
Far out at sea, Titan swallows everything in its path. No vessel can withstand the fury of a Category 6 monster. The impossible has become reality. Titan is heading straight for New York City. In Miami, the ocean invades the streets. Titan's surge swallows the city whole. Across Florida, entire neighborhoods vanish as Titan tears homes from their foundations. Even the strongest structures fall. Titan shatters highways, sending vehicles plunging into the flood below.
Across America, televisions scream the same message. Evacuate now, a Category 6 is coming.
Against impossible odds, rescue crews brave Titan's fury, searching for those trapped by the storm. In Titan's flood, survival hangs by a thread, lifted skyward against the storm's wrath. Families flee with whatever they can carry. Titan turns every street into a desperate escape route. Panic spreads even in places of safety. Fear turns every shelter into a battlefield. Titan does not weaken. Winds scream at 230 miles per hour, a force beyond imagination. Out at sea, Titan reduces steel giants to splinters. Nothing escapes the fury of this storm. Even hospitals, sanctuaries of life, are not spared. In the dark, every second becomes a battle to keep death away. Titan has claimed Florida. A state once alive is now an ocean of ruin. Once familiar streets are now rivers of death, where survival is a race against the current. In the ruins of Titan's wrath, survivors gather in fragile sanctuaries clinging to hope amid despair. Now Titan marches north, and New York awaits the storm of the century.
Titan drowns the heart of finance Tadsbless. Wall Street consumed in a single surge.
The crossroads of the world, swallowed by the flood. Midtown, once alive with light bank, now drowns beneath Titan's tide. Even Lady Liberty bows before Titan Viad, the city's guardian, drowned in the storm. Titan shakes the steel giants of New York, and even the sky begins to fall. Inside the towers, the storm invades wall.
The skyline itself disintegrates, a city of glass reduced to shards.
Even monuments of stone and steel tremble before Titan's wrath. Even monuments of steel and glass could not stand against Titan's fury. The city that never sleeps, plunged into darkness by Titan.
With the city above collapsing, many flee underground, into the veins of New York. In the tunnels, fear is thick, a fragile refuge against the giant above. But Titan spares no sanctuary. The underground drowns as swiftly as the streets above. Titan's flood invades the veins of the city, where darkness and water close in. Below the city, Titan turns refuge into a tomb, the subway swallowed whole. Even symbols of strength cannot stand against Titan's wrath. The ocean rises, clawing at the nation's monument. Titan swallows liberty's foundation, as if erasing history itself. The torch of hope flickers against an ocean of despair. Even liberty herself bows to Titan,
the storm rewriting the face of a nation. Titan left behind a city unrecognizable.
Emergency lifelines a 7, drowned in the flood.
Even the gateways of the world dry, silenced by Titan.
Millions displaced. Billions in damages. Yet among the ruins dispersitain, fragile voices still call for salvation.
Hospitals overflow, turning parks into battlefields for survival.
Desperation drives even the strongest to the brink.
Families torn apart, searching for each other in the chaos.
The city's veins severed shade, replaced by fragile lifelines.
The most vulnerable left stranded, waiting for mercy.
Exodus begins. Millions forced to flee their drowned city. Billions in damages and lives changed forever.
In darkness, faith flickers like the last light of hope.
A city broken, but a people who must endure together.
Titan left scars, too deep to forget.
Climate change has no limits.
The warning is not new, but it grows louder each time disaster strikes.
Titan retreats, but its scars will not fade.
Peace returns, but the horizon tells another story.